Hi, welcome to Tiny Creature Hub. Today's video is how to tidy your running teeth with Konmari Method. First, bring out all your running t-shirt and put it on the floor. Now, sorting it by feeling, does this t-shirt spark joy in you? Feel it. Does it spark joy? If yes, put one side. So does this t-shirt spark joy in your life? Yes. So how about this singlet? Does it spark joy? Yes. So what about this t-shirt? Does it spark joy? No. So we'll leave it here. Now, how about this camel t-shirt? No. So we'll leave it here. Now, we'll say thank you and we will throw this away. So now I will show you how to fold a running t-shirt. First, you fold one side, touch it, feel it, give it some love. You fold the ends and fold the other side. Fold again and again. Make sure it stands up. If it doesn't, we'll fold another method. Same, fold one side, fold the handle in, touch it, fold the other side. Now fold the corner, then fold again, again, and again. Now it can stand. Yay! 1, 4, more and more. More again. Once it's full, put it inside your drawer. This is the Konmari Method so that you can see all your t-shirts. But with this way, you can't put a lot of running t-shirts. So I will use the Kimchi method and put it tall. Stack it so tall and in color. Bye bye.